Not just Willow Glen, but Willow Glen with solar on top. Come on by, check out the open house for a list of key features and highlights galore. You got tons of car parking all tandem here through your gated community. No kidding, just gated access to your 2-car garage, finished for now. Convert it back to a garage or an ADU, endless possibilities. And you have natural light pouring in from all directions, including this massive epic skylight right over the island and in-ceiling can lighting throughout. So walk out to this beautiful backyard, enjoy sod front and back through the double sliders, one through the ensuite and one through the kitchen. All right, and you can play on the hardscape, you can play on the sod, wherever your little heart desires. And you can even blend in with California native succulents and flowers and the Japanese maple in the foreground. For the entry, you got a limestone whitewash fresh coat of paint, freshly painted front door, Nest smart doorbell, dusk to dawn lanterns, high-end heavy-duty matte black door hardware, smart Yale digital keypad, custom oversized dual pane front-facing window installed in 2023, and flagstone pavers throughout the front porch and front sidewalk. In this gourmet kitchen, you got a statement pyramid-style custom skylight over the island, granite countertops, custom island with electrical GFCI and an overhang for seating. There's a reverse osmosis water filtration, motion sensing water faucet, electrical outlets every 3 feet. You got a custom fridge garage with a KitchenAid refrigerator, a never cooked on before, Wi-Fi enabled, 5-burner gas KitchenAid range and oven combo. Got an over-the-range, low-profile Whirlpool microwave with a high CFM. Custom glass uppers, under-cabinet lighting, stainless appliances, and ultra-quiet 3-tray KitchenAid dishwasher. In the great room, you got the latest technology recessed LED lighting and a recessed behind the fireplace HDMI cable channel, custom baseboards, and in-ceiling registers for central heat and air. In the main ensuite, you're looking at in-ceiling can lighting, a center statement designer light fixture, can be swapped for a fan, recessed cable channel for mounting TV or home office, smart dimmer switches, and an in-suite side-by-side Maytag laundry. For the whole residence, you got a level 2 EV charger, whole house solar is completely paid off, you're looking at a water softener, dual pane windows throughout, a sonic fiber internet, dimmer Leviton switches, GFCI outlets throughout, you've got detached finished 2-car garage, insulated garage door, a Westinghouse AC and mini split, epoxy and finished drywall, and access to the attic for more storage, 9 recessed in-ceiling LED lights, and extra insulation recently installed up in the attic. For the exterior and grounds, you got approximately 5,832 square feet on a spacious lot. It's professionally landscaped and manicured, Ratio smart landscaping timer, a bougainvillea along the right-hand corner of the home, Willow Glen appropriate gate, a 6-foot high fence with additional 1-foot lattice for privacy, oversized Fetters air conditioning condenser, and 5 downspouts directly into the city drainage system down below the hardscaping. Come enjoy the award-winning schools at Buxton Elementary, Willow Glen Middle, and Willow Glen High.